the top.
Oh, now it is. Okay.
Hi! I'm cooking chicken. Why don't you come a little bit closer and I'll show you what I'm cooking. So this is chicken. Basically, I got these little packets of pepper that I'm seasoning it with. You get these at restaurants. And you put them in your pocket, and that way you get pepper. And I put in the pepper on top of the chicken like that. You flick the bag and it makes the pepper fall to the bottom. Then you rip the top off and you shake it like that. And you got pepper. Once you get a good lot of pepper on there, then what you want to do is you get some chicken seasoning from out of this stuff. Ramen noodles. And you get one of these chicken flavor seasonings. If I can find one. I already used that one. You have to use poultry seasoning. Very elaborate. Crap. I used them all. Shit. That's okay. I'll use salt.
No, just get the poultry season. It's the same thing. It's in there.
It's expired 10 years. So I'll use some of this stuff. Just a little bit, because this stuff is really hot. Korean style. Gochujang hot and sweet sauce. And then I like to put a little bit of wine. This is Pinot Grigio. Fish eye. It's only $4 at grocery store. So we do that to flavor it. Now I'm going to do it with some orange. That smells delicious. I'll put the peelings on there. Actually, right now I'm just do that in a minute.
Why don't you scrape the peeling and then...
So we got a sauce of nice orange. You put that in there and squeeze that, some of that on there. Yep, that's orange, alright. Now we're ready to put it on the fire.
I think the fire went out.
That's what we're looking for. So we wait till the fire goes out. So that way it doesn't burn. And then we put one of these on top. Like that. I mean like that.
I gotta close this. You're not going anywhere.
There we go. I'm going to squeeze some more juice in there.
Shut up.
We may need some more fire. But you can turn it off because we'll continue this